Going solar was a no-brainer for Carol Lopez Bethel. 3 years after installing solar panels on the roof of her 1950s-era Coconut Grove home, the sun powers her fridge, her washing machine, her AC, and more.
The lights that are on right now are free. They're coming from the sun, and we are not creating any pollution. We're not imposing ourselves in any negative way.
Lopez Bethel likes that she's helping the environment while saving big time on her monthly power bill.
Prior to solar, it would have been between $150 and $200.
And now you're paying $28.72.
Yes.
With those savings and the federal tax incentives currently in place, the average $30,000 solar system will pay for itself in about 7 years. Lopez Bethel can monitor her system online, charting the production of each panel on her roof. Her panels often generate more power than she actually needs.
You are actually returning power to the grid, and FP&L has to rebate that back to you.
You sell it back to FP&L.
Essentially, yeah.
How cool is that? That's what's known as net metering. FPL deducts the amount of energy you sell back from your monthly bill.